Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy Japanese yen using Fidelity. First, you'll want to log into your Fidelity account. If you do not have an account yet, you will need to create one by providing the necessary personal and financial information. Once you are logged in, navigate to the trading section of the platform. Look for the option to trade currencies. Fidelity provides a robust currency trading service, so you will be able to find the option to buy yen easily. Remember to check the current exchange rate and any fees that may apply to your transaction. Next, enter the amount of yen you wish to purchase. Fidelity will display the equivalent amount in your base currency, along with the trading fees. Make sure to review these details carefully to ensure that you are comfortable with the rates and costs involved in the transaction. Finally, confirm your purchase once you are satisfied with the details. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your transaction was successful. Your yen will be credited to your account, and you can now use it for your financial needs or for travel. Remember to keep an eye on the exchange rates for future trades. Thank you for watching, and happy trading on Fidelity.